Hi students, MCQ number 21. Two small conducting spheres of equal radius have charges plus 10 microcoulomb and minus 20 microcoulomb respectively and placed at a distance capital R from each other. They experience a force F1. Okay. So you can see here two conducting spheres. Okay, first one is having a charge of plus 10 microcoulomb. The second sphere of the same radius is having a charge of minus 20 microcoulomb, and the force between these two is taken to be F1. If they are brought in contact and separated to the same distance, then they experience a force F2. So these two are brought in contact and then separated to the same distance R. So in this case the force between them is F2. Then the ratio of F1 to F2 we have to find out. It's a very interesting problem, very important type of problem, many times repeated in the competitive exams. Okay. Now my dear students, you have to remember that when two metallic spheres holding different charges are brought in contact and then removed, irrespective of the sizes of the two spheres, equal quantity of charge will be distributed on both the spheres. Now you tell me, what is the charge present on the first sphere is plus 10, positive charge of 10 microcoulomb, and on the second sphere is what? Minus 20. When you bring them in contact with each other, the net charge in the two spheres will be what? Plus 10 added with minus 20. So plus 10 added with the minus 20 will give you how much? Minus 10 microcoulomb. Is it not? So plus 10 minus 20, this is equal to what? Minus 10 microcoulomb. So when the two spheres are in contact, the net charge is minus 10, and when they are separated to that distance R, each will have minus 5 microcoulomb. So they are brought to the distance R. So when they are kept in contact, the net charge is plus 10 minus 20, that is equal to minus 10. When they are separated again, each will share equal quantity of charge, so that the first sphere will have minus 5 microcoulomb. The second sphere also will have minus 5 microcoulomb. Are you getting this idea first? So at the beginning stage for learners, it is very important to understand the concept. Okay. Now in the first case, what is the expression for F1? F1 is proportional to Q1 into Q2, is it not? Q1 into Q2. So this is 10 multiplied by minus 20. So F1 is proportional to minus 200. Because they are the same distance, denominator term we need not write. Concept of proportionality is also the same, that we need not write. So F1 is proportional to minus 200. Now here, what is F2 proportional to? F2 is proportional to Q1 into Q2, minus 5 into minus 5, and that is proportional to minus into minus plus, so plus 25. Okay, now we have to find out the ratio of F1 and F2. So F1 divided by F2 is minus 200 divided by 25. Now 25 into 8 is 200. So this is equal to minus 8 divided by 1. Therefore the ratio F1 is to F2 must be equal to what? Minus 8 is to 1. Okay. So now which is the correct option? You see here option D is the right answer. Okay. Therefore option D is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.